So, ngayon sir, bakit ka napapunta ngayon sa ating clinic at ano yung mga iniinda mo or nangangalay ng madalas sa iyong katawan?
Medyo feeling lang most of the time parang feeling ko may stiff neck ako.
Okay?
Likod.
Mabigat ba? Pakiramdam?
Oo, masakit eh.
Kamusta naman kapag morning, pagising?
Hindi ko na pinapansin minsan eh. Kung
Parang
nararamdaman ko
normal
na siya,
na lang sa'yo, no?
parang nararamdaman ko na lang pag wala akong ginagawa, tapos mapipil ko na siya, ang sakit dito.
Yun na. Nagiging Good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. At ngayon, nandito tayo sa clinic. Kasama natin si Sir
Ray.
Yan, si Sir Ray. So, Sir Ray, ilan taon na po kayo?
Just turned 38.
Yung. Tapos, ano po yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo? Meron po ba kayong page na pwedeng i-promote? Sige.
Yep. Sa sports, we have the L-Tri Team FB page. So, sa team ko.
Yes.
Sa triathlon.
Triathlon.
And then, Plans for Ray Landscaping Services.
Yun. Sige. I-search natin yan mamaya. So, ngayon, sir, bakit ka napapunta ngayon sa ating clinic at ano yung mga iniinda mo or nangangalay ng madalas sa iyong katawan?
Medyo feeling lang most of the time parang feeling ko may stiff neck ako.
Okay?
Likod.
Mabigat ba? Pakiramdam?
Oo, masakit eh.
Kamusta naman kapag morning, pagising?
Hindi ko na pinapansin minsan eh. Kung
Parang
nararamdaman ko
normal
na
na
siya,
lang sa'yo, no?
parang nararamdaman ko na lang pag wala akong ginagawa, tapos mapipil ko na siya, ang sakit dito.
Yun na. Nagiging stiff. So ngayon, magkakaroon naman tayo ng physical examination para malaman natin kung ano man yung mga pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin sa isang pasyente. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Ready ka na?
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Posture up. Okay, so sige. Kapag naka-posture up ka, anything nangangalay? Or
Ito.
hindi lang sanay, kumbaga.
Oo.
Ngayon, tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Yan. Sa tingin mo, saan yung masikip?
Sakit. Dito ang sakit.
Kapag nag-right ka na. Okay. Saan yung naramdaman? More of here or dito? Dito. Uy, dito, no? So ngayon, tignan natin. Tingala. Sige, ready? 45-degree extension. Yan. Sige. Right there. Anything. Extension, pain.
Dito.
Ayun. Sige. Down. Sige, yuko. Ipupush kita, ano? Sige, right there. Okay. Saan banda?
Ito ba doon?
Okay. So, wala namang connection dito?
Wala naman.
Wala naman. More of here. So, ayusin natin ito. Alisin natin lahat ng tension between your disc joints. Okay? Sa buong spine. Okay? At the same time, syempre, yung buong katawan na rin. Kasi sobrang dami nating joints. Okay. So, ngayon, gagawin natin ay shoulders. Tignan natin. Here. All the way up. Yun. Kamusta? May tumunog Kamusta yan? Masikip ba yung traps natin?
Oo. Medyo masakit.
May pain? Wala?
Wala naman.
Okay,
Masakit.
down. Sige, mula sa harap po. Okay, all the way up, ilagpas sa tenga. Ayun, kamusta?
Masakit dito.
Masakit. Right here?
Yeah.
This one. Ito ang pinakatinatawag na rhomboid. Okay, muscles. Down. So, sige, tignan natin yung lateral support. This one. Go. So, ang pinaka-normal is about here. Uy, masikip na. May pain ba?
Yes.
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Masikip lang.
Masikip
Sobrang
lang.
tight lang ba? Okay, sige, kabila.
Eto.
Here. Ayun. So, dapat vertical line ng ating shoulders. So, medyo masikip-sikip na.
Masakit na.
Stand up. Yan. Tignan natin ito. Sa lower back. Go all the way down. Okay, kamusta yan?
Mahirap.
Mahirap.
Mahirap na.
Tignan natin.
Lumaki na yung chan eh.
Forward sa akin. Go. Bend forward. Sige. Ayun. O, tignan natin ang iyong formation ng ating buong spine. So, right there. Okay? So, we have slight misalignment right here sa lower back. Specifically sa ating lumbar 3 right there. Okay? Here. Lumbar 1. Here. Medyo mataas ito. Okay? So, right there. Up ng konti. Yep. Very good. Sign. Very nice. Okay. So, right here. Okay. Up last one. Sige. Yoko. Yun. So, meron tayo sa left. Okay? Vertebrae ng ating thoracic tree. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, right there. So, medyo mataas lang ito ng konti. Okay?
Okay.
Last one, shoulders. Nahihilo ka?
A bit, yeah.
A bit. Okay, so this is a sign na nagkakaroon ng compression between our muscles. At the same time, nako-compromise yung ibang maliliit na ugat. Okay, papunta sa ating
Yeah.
brain. So, yung circulation itself ng ating blood ay medyo sumisikip. Okay? Kaya, kapag galing tayo sa baba at umakyat, nag-shoot out lahat. Okay? Kaya, nape-pressure.
Pressure,
Yes, yung ating
May
ugat.
kunting...
Kaya minsan ay nagkakaroon ng dizziness. Alright? Ayusin natin yun.
Okay.
Okay? Ready ka na?
Ready?
Yan. So at least wala namang ikakabahalang sobrang special concern or disorder sa katawan. Ang pinaka-tinitingnan lang natin is yung development ng ating tech neck syndrome para maiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng kyphosis or paninigas ng ating cervical spine na naka-forward. At the same time, lahat ng mga nararanasan mo is common and the wear and tear ng ating katawan. Especially, syempre, gumagalaw tayo ng gusto, which is a triathlon, ay gamit na gamit natin yung buong katawan natin. But this one, we will prevent those wear and tear, ano? Kumbaga, longevity ng ating disc joints at saka yung mga iba't ibang joints sa katawan.
Okay.
Ready ka na?
Cool. Let's
Sige.
go. Crack
So,
this
ngayon,
out.
dadapa. Okay, here. So now, check natin itong iliac crest right here, pelvis and sacroiliac joint, okay? Right here, taas. Diretso, up, up, up. Yun, kamusta ito? Mabigat ba? May ngalay sa lower back?
Oo.
Mabigat. Okay, sige, down. Sa kabila. Go up. How is it?
Same.
Same. Okay, down. So at least, meron pa rin namang rotation. Wala naman masyadong nagiging malalang causes nito. Okay? Right down there. And then, lumbar 5. Vertebrae. Inhale. Exhale down. Down, down, down. Okay. So clear naman and very intact. Okay, I will push this away. Ready. Inhale. Exhale down. Good, good, good. Okay. Clear. Good one. And then, down. Stretch natin yung quads mo at saka yung iyong pelvis. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Relax a bit. Good. Good one. Okay. Stretch. Stretch. Good. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Good. And then, for our inner hip joint, ready? Go up. Sige, up, up. Yan, ganyan. Pigilan mo yung aking pag-open. Sige, go. Nice. Yep. Kamusta yan? Okay. Naramdaman mo yan?
Yes.
So that's for your inner hip. Push this up, push this down, and pull this up. Relax, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Okay. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Down, down, down. Yes, here. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Okay, here. Last one in. Good one. Kabila. Right there. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Inhale. Down, down, down. Exhale. You're good. Okay. Alright. Any pain?
No.
Nothing. Okay? Taas mo ito, diretso. Go. Nice. How is it?
Ay. Gaan.
Good?
Yeah.
Sobrang light?
Oo.
Very good. Kabila. Nice one. How is it?
Better.
Nice. So, yan. Mas magiging mobile ito
Yeah.
once na mag-compete ka na ulit. So, before 2 to 3 days, yan. Kung meron kayong competition before 2 to 3 days, pwede natin gawin ito para at least ma-prepare natin lahat ng movements ninyo. Pero very good naman ito. Mapapakinabangan mo naman ito at least 2 weeks or 1 month, depending on your situation, ano? Pwede ka na ulit magpa-therapy at least 2 weeks time or 1 month time dahil wala ka naman masyadong nagkakaroon ng mas malalang concerns, okay? Right there. Good one. Ready, inhale. Exhale, huwag mo titira ng hangin. Good one. Here. Inhale again. Exhale down. Down, down, down. Good. Here naman ito. Upper thoracic. Right there. Relax. Ito. Baba ang kamay na. Yep. Good one. Right there. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Relax your shoulder. Good. Nice.
Oh. Nice.
You good?
Yeah.
Nice. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa junction ng thoracic 1. Right there. Here. Okay? I will push this up to open your disc joint. Here. Okay? Here. Open, open. Sige, relax lang ito. Yan. Good. Yun. Good one. I will push this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, relax ang shoulder. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. How is it? Here. Right there. Okay? Push this up. Good one. Relax your shoulder. Good one. Good, good. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Relax, relax. Good, good, good. Okay, so ito ay very good na. Cool. Clear. Clear. Okay. Nice. How is it so far? Okay? So now, dito tayo sa malalim na part. Okay? Upo ka. Pahiram ako ng batok mo. Yan. Sige, this one. Up, up, up. Yan. Hawak ka sa akin dito. Sa batok mo. Yan. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Sige, i-lock mo ba? Yan. Sige, sige, sige. Baba. Yan. I-lock mo ito, ano? Sige. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Lock, lock, lock. Good. Nice. I-lock mo ito. Go. Down. Inhale again. Exhale. Down. Okay. So, very tight. Okay. So, now, ibang gagawin natin technique yan. This time, higa ka muna. Natapilo ka na ba dati?
Couldn't recall, pero I think, yes, parang.
Sige, tingnan natin. Very firm pa naman. Nice.
Wala pa namang major injuries.
Nice. Very firm naman. Good. Okay, release lang natin yung tension. Good. Okay, wait. Okay, clear. So first, for your metatarsal right here, clear, lower. Nice. You good? Here. Clear. Navicular. Right there. Turn, turn, turn. Nice one. You good?
I feel that.
Then, talus bones. Yeah. Relax. Inner. Good. Okay, clear. Very good. And then, for your cuboid, right here, upper. Yep, taas, taas, taas. Good. Relax yung legs. Good one. Nice.
Yeah.
Any pain?
No.
Nothing. And then, for your heel, at saka dyan sa iyong balakang or
Okay.
inner hip. Here. Good. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Good.
Yep.
Kabila. Metatarsal. Clear. Nice. Clear. Next, navicular. Right there. Turn, turn, turn. Nice one. Good. Here. Here. Very nice. Next is right there. Push, push, push. Good one. Nice one. Okay?
Felt that.
Heel. Relax, relax. Good. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Nice one. Sa tuhod, kamusta?
Yeah, that's good. Naramdaman ko na dito.
Right here. Okay. Turn out. Relax it. Okay, clear. Turn in. For tibia and fibula bone, right there. Clear. And for our patella, right there. Okay, clear. Clear. Good one. Mhm. Next is for your groin. Where's your groin? Right
Yeah.
here. So sing it. Relax, relax. Right there. Nice. Good.
Yep.
Turn out. Clear. Good. Very healthy yung knees. Right there. Right here. Good. Nice one.
That was good.
Next, sa ating sacroiliac joints. Sa pelvis natin. Hold this one and push this one. Nice one. Good.
Tumulog.
Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Huwag magretira ng hangin sa tiyan. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Nice. Lock this one. Go push, 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 push. Sige, push, push, push. Wait one. Right there. Okay. Push this one. Good one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Nice. Good. May natira pa. So that's the right positioning with our sacroiliac joints.
Yeah.
Okay, and iliac crest, and then lumbar 5 junction. Okay. Sige, higa. Ayun, higa natin kung may pain.
Yeah.
This is your carpal bones right here. Relax.
Okay.
Alright, here. Okay, here. Good. This one. Okay, this one. Relax. Okay, clear. Good one. Nice one. And then for the inner side. Good. Nice. You good?
Yeah.
And then stretch. Nice one. Stretch again. Nice one. Then push it back down. Nice. You good? Okay, and then elbow. Relax it. Yeah. Good. Okay. And right there. Nice. And then for the inner side, turn all the way. For the ulna. Okay, ulna bone right there. Good one. Good. This one. And good. Nice. Alright. You good?
Good.
Let's see. Yun, meron pang konti. Right there. Good. Now, let's see the pain. Okay? So, here. Push 1. Push 2. Push 3.
Wala na masyado. Yan. May konti. Yeah, pero...
Hindi ka tulad kanina.
Yeah.
Yung pain.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the pain. 1. Meron na.
Oo.
2. Ayun. 2 pa lang Sige, release natin. Here. Right there. Good. Good. Here. Okay, right there. Here. Good. Okay, last one. Upper for the side. You. Nice. Stretch. Good. Stretch. Good. Push it back down. Relax. Good one. Okay. Elbow. Here. Good. Turn. Clear. Very nice. Okay? Right there. Here. Last one. Good. Okay. Now, let's see the pain. Okay?
Okay.
Push 1.
Yeah.
Push 2.
Yeah.
Push 3.
Yeah.
Good.
Diyan na.
Sa 3, meron. Hindi ka tulad kanina, sa 2 pa lang. Okay. So, good.
Wow.
Any pain?
Wala naman.
Nice.
Yeah, pero konti na
Traps
yun.
muscle.
Yeah.
Here.
Wala.
Acromion joint.
Masyado.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yan. Pain. Kabila. Here. Cervical number 1. Kamusta ito? Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 3. 4. And 5.
Yeah.
Alright. Traps muscles. Pain.
Oh, yep.
Here. Right there. And then last one. Here. Pain. Nothing. A bit.
Habit.
So now, ipupwesto natin ng maayos, ano?
Okay.
Bago tayo mag-release ng tension. So,
Okay.
right here. 1. Upper. Good one. That's 1. Ready? Inhale. Relax the shoulder. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good one.
Oh. Goodness.
How is it?
That was a hell of a crack. Kasi first time ko kasi. First time ko talaga magpapalaro.
Sige. Here. So, mas lower tayo sa middle kasi mas masakit ito. Sa middle, no? Sa cervical number 3. Right down there. Okay? Relax the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Good one.
Oh.
Nice.
Laki ng tunog. Last nun.
Good. Okay. So, next is for our manual traction. Decompression natin. Up, down. And safe yung ating
Oh my. Pero
cervical
kayong
spine.
nakikita kong tanggal egg.
Okay, sige. Calculate natin. Bite your teeth. Okay, inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Bite your teeth. Good. Stretch number 1. Good one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. How is it?
Yeah.
Good. So, mas light lang ang kailangan natin. Okay? Ready? Chin up ng konti. Good. Close your mouth. Bite your teeth. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Good one. Good.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh!
Sige, relax.
I feel it.
Okay? And then, after this one, pahinga ka at least 1 minute. Tapos magpo-focus na tayo sa iyong mga muscles for
Okay.
recovery after the decompression. Okay? Sa muscle recovery after ng ating decompression. So, this one is for our faster recovery. This is the fascial gun. How is this one?
Wow.
It's soothing.
Yeah.
Here. Right there. Last 2. Last one. How is it?
Good.
Okay, right down there. Nice one. Right.
Wow.
Good.
Good.
Ganito yung pinaka-proper way of releasing ng muscles para maiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng soreness at bugbog ng muscles dahil sa sobrang tagal ng pagkakahilot dito. Okay? Maiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng tinatawag na calio or extra layer of protection ng ating soft tissue kapag sobrang tagal ng pagkakahilot at sobrang diin dito. Okay? So, yun yung nagiging prone. Para siyang kalyo, no? Nagiging prone tayo sa pagkakaroon ng matigas na muscles at laging
yeah.
stiff ng muscles. Right here. Ready? Go up. Nice one. Sideward down. Opening ng traps to the tunnel. Good one. So this time, compress or engage. Okay?
Yeah.
Close fist. Tigasan ang shoulder. Labanan ng aking pagpindot. Ready?
Okay.
Wait. Go up. Labanan. Tigasan ang shoulder traps. Go. Sideward. Dahan-dahan. Good one. Now, relax na yung kamay. Go up. Relax na. Good one. How is this now?
Yeah, better.
Mas smooth na.
Yeah.
Go down. Ganun kabilis. Okay? So, kung ano man yung tigas ng muscles mo, kung proper yung movement and proper yung releasing, doon sa pinaka-muscle fiber itself,
Yeah.
mas lalambot yung muscles at mabilis nating marirelease lahat ng tension or pain
Yeah.
or lahat ng tightness na meron sa isang specific muscles. Sa iba't ibang area ng muscles din natin, hindi lang ganito.
Yeah.
Okay, may iba't ibang technique. Okay?
Okay.
Yan, okay. Right there. How is this? Here. How's this one? Yep. Good. So that's the muscle knots. Ready? Same procedure. Go up. Go. Down sideward. Nice. Engage na. Bigasan na. Ready? Go. Up. Go. Push. Nice. And then relax na. Go. Up. Nice. Down sideward. How is it? Good. And then, wala nang movement. Confirm. Confirmation. Ready? How's this now? How's this?
Yeah.
Here, upper.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Any pain?
Wala.
Nice. Ganun kabilis. Iiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng soreness.
Yep.
Alright. So now,
Makes sense.
check natin yung trigger points again. Ready? Here. Kanina ay may pain. So, cervical 1. How's this now?
Yeah, a bit.
Number 2 here.
A little bit na.
3,
Yeah, wala na masyado.
4,
Wala na.
and 5.
Wala na.
Good.
Yeah.
Kabila. Number 1.
Wala.
Number 2.
Wala.
Number 3.
Wala na masyado.
4,
Wala na.
and 5.
Yeah.
Nice. See the difference?
Yeah.
Good.
Pati ako, I'm wondering. Good.
Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin ay sa shoulders na and blast your ears. Ngayon, hawak sa bewang. So, ang gagawin naman natin, ipupush natin yung pinaka-rotator cuff
Yeah.
para ma-release yung tension. Hawak. Yan. Ipupush kita forward, pipigilan mo ako.
Okay.
Okay? Sige. Ready? Go. Pigil. Pupush kita. Go. Pigil. Pigil pa. Lakas. Sige, isa pa. Pigil. Go up. Then go. There. Nice. Kabila. Ready? Go. Push. Nice.
Oh. Tumunog eh.
Ganun. Alright. Tignan natin. Rotator cuff at ito na. Sa clavicle and the
Okay.
acromion bone. Here. Twist. Outer. Good. Relax. Stretch. Nice.
Yan.
Here. Last one. Good one. Okay. And then, yuko. Para sa lower rotator cuff. Here. Yuko. Good one. Nice.
Yeah.
How is it? Good. Turn. Yeah. Stretch. Nice. Clear. Then right there. Clear. Okay. Up. Yuko. Good one.
Oh.
Nice. How is it?
Good.
Okay.
Oh.
Last is for your ears. Relax. Right there. Here. Snap. Nice.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. This one. Good one. Right there. Snap. Good. Nice.
Oh.
Good. And then this is the sensitive part of our ears. Right here. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Okay. You good?
Yeah.
So, hello again, Rock Nation, and we're done with Sir
Ray!
Ray. Ayan. O, kamusta ang experience sa ating therapy?
Good. I highly recommend
Nice.
to come here or do a home service if you
Okay.
prefer to. Grabe. Sarap sa pakiramdam eh. Parang bagong katawan, no?
Nice. Bagong reset.
Bagong
Ayan.
reset.
Ayan. So ngayon, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng physical examination. Ready? Posture up. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it now?
I can feel the difference eh.
Loose.
Mas loose na siya.
Yan. So ngayon, this is the moment of truth. Tingala. Yun. Okay. Any tension? Sige, go. Here. 45-degree extension. Nice. How is it?
Oh, water.
Yung tension kanina at saka pain.
Oh, malayo.
Malayo. Ngayon,
Ito, walang halong ano to.
walang halong.
Walang halong bihiro to.
Sige, yoko. Yan, push kita ha. Kanina may pain. How is it now?
Yeah, that's better.
Nice. Wala na yung nararamdaman mo dito sa taas?
Wala na masyado.
Nice.
Merong konting tension pero hindi parehas kanina
Yes,
na.
hindi na compare kanina.
Masakit.
Okay? So ngayon, ikaw na mismo yung kalaban ng sarili mo. Always be conscious sa ating posture. Ngayon, shoulder traps. Yan. Ready? Go up. Dikit sa tenga. How is it?
Better.
Mas maluwag? Mas
Oh.
magaan?
Wala na.
Pwede nang lumipad. No?
Better.
Okay. Good.
Sarap.
Baba. Yan. Ngayon, ilagpas sa tenga. Kanina medyo hirap. Sige, go. Lagpas sa tenga. Nice. How was it?
Pwede na sumayaw na ano eh.
Okay.
Better.
Nice.
Kanina sakit.
Yes.
Ganina, masakit talaga. Ngayon,
Good.
wala na. Pwede pa lang gawin. Elastic man, pamunta
Ooh.
na.
Ngayon, tignan natin yung lateral support at saka rhomboid. Here. Ready? Go. Twist. Nice. So, how was it now? Ito yung normal.
Better.
Kabila. Go. Yun. Oh, hindi na kita kailangan anuhin. Nakaka-push ka na. Nice.
Yeah.
Mas loose
Good.
na. Good. Happy ka naman.
Happy.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Nice.
5-star.
5-star.
Highly
hotel.
recommend.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Coach Aster, for having me. Thank you. Hi, Rock Nation.
Thank you so much. Picture
Thank you.
tayo.
Sige.